Hello you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you do share this video, guys. So after an 8-year legal battle, Nigerian televangelist and preacher, pastor Timothy Omotoso and his two co-accused have been found not guilty, bringing a high-profile R case to conclusion. Amatoso, along with his alleged recruiters Zukiswa Sito and Lusanda Sulani, appeared in the Eastern Cape High Court in Gqeberha yesterday, where the verdict was delivered. The trio faced a range of serious charges, including racketeering, human trafficking, rape, and assault. Amadoso was accused of grooming and molesting his victims, some as young as 14 years old. According to the state, the pastor allegedly orchestrated these crimes through Sulani and Sito, who assisted in recruiting and trafficking young women. The prosecution contended that Amadoso arranged for the victims to travel to various locations, including hotels in Durban as well as destinations in Israel and Nigeria. Delivering her ruling, Judge Amos Kuman laid out the state's case that Amadoso would call the complaint to his bedroom and allegedly sexually assaulting them. Regarding cross-examination, Skuman said if the evidence of the accused in court was not challenged, it was considered correct. Generally, the failure of the prosecutor to cross-examine an accused may be decisive, and an acquittal will likely result, the judge said. She said state prosecutor cross-examination of the accused was of poor quality. It had the effect that the accused evidence was not placed in dispute at all, and therefore it did not necessitate the calling of corroborative witness, if any, who might have bolstered their defense. Skuman said the judge said the state had not proven its case beyond reasonable doubt and found all three accused not guilty. They are discharged on all charges, she said. Now, Amatoso has been in jail since his arrest in April 2017. Now, he tried on several occasions to have the case either dismissed or declare a mistrial. This included an application on January the 16th last year, where the defense wanted judge to reconsider a previous judgment on the application for discharge according to Section 1748 of the Criminal Procedure Act. This discharge application was, however, dismissed. The numerous delays in the trial caused some witnesses to not want to proceed with giving evidence. Well, there you have it, you guys. What are your thoughts regarding Pastor Omotoso being not guilty? You guys, please do engage them with me in the comment section, and of course do make sure that you subscribe so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for clicking and deciding on watching this one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.